How you doing, Ralfy here? Ralfy Customs, long overdue. I'm getting shit off people, not shit. I'm getting positive encouragement to do a vlog, so here we are. You might remember this is what we're on with today, so you can see what I'm fucking on with. You may remember Mickey's came in and we did it all, fucking happy days, and then he got a third of the way home and his rear brake seized up. His caliper seized. There was shit in the fucking system because it had been stood for a while. I can honestly say it wasn't my brief, so it's not something I've done that's gone wrong, it's something that's not, it's just no one's looked at it like. Well, we've done it, we've had it in, we've fucking sorted it. Part of the problem now, though, is that now it's working properly, we've realised that this fucking rear brake fucking light pressure switch for the fucking rear brake light is been kaput. So I've had to order one in, and that's getting fitted. I'll fit that later on. Today, this is today. And then that's going out on Saturday. The reason I've fucking you've not seen me is because of this fucking thing. Oh, it's one of my favourite records playing, fucking White Rabbit, Jefferson Airplane. So I hope we don't get a copyright strike. But there we go. If you follow, you'll see there's a fucking, it's got its own video. So I've been working like there's no fucking tomorrow. And checking one step forward and fucking two steps backwards. But we're about there now, about broke its back. So that should be on its wheels later today. And the video should be uploaded. Well, I don't know, before you see this or after you see this, fucked if I know, but you'll see it. A new addition, and there's a reason that there's a pile of sweepings and a broom next to the front wheel. It's our Steve's Softail fucking Chardbury man. Fork seals, it's in for fork seals. These upside down Suzuki forks, no one's sure what they're off. Fucking hell, they're definitely leaking now. The fork seals are gone. It's fucking spewing its guts out everywhere. Look, there's bits of it every fucking where. There's a pile there where it stood. That's off our Deans. That's fucking gearboxes leaking on our Deans. But that's about to be fucking done. That's this afternoon's jolly. Under here is that Suzuki Marauder that you might remember seeing that came in for, well, provisionally it came in for a fucking gooseneck and a rake and a big fucking strip down. Then he changed his mind when he fucking actually turned up. So it was in for little fucking indicators and some machining on some riser adapters to take the rubber mounts out of the risers. But he's been in touch to say that he's fucking coming and picking it up. So that's not being done. I've got the fucking indicators that cost hundreds of pounds. Well, they'll go with it when it goes, and it should be going out on Saturday. Well, it's going out on Saturday. Fucking hiding like fucking Pac-Man's ghosts. There's my Triumph under there. You can see it with the tall mirror sticking up. And Harry the bastard under there. Ooh, they're fucking in Halloween mode. Just a oily cloth to keep the fucking shit off them. And under the posh covers the posh fucking Dyna, which is due a fucking ride out. So that's got to be fucking. I'm sure I mentioned our Dean's, his 1,000-mile shakedown. And the amount of work that's going to get its own playlist for sure. I'm really looking forward to getting on that. So happy days. Fucking log. I'm sure, again, I mentioned this in the last vlog. This is our pose. Oh, fucking hell. I can honestly say, if I had the opportunity, I'd buy this back today. Fucking happy fucking fun bike, sits well, goes well, fucking happy days, everyone's a winner. But that's in for rear tyre, rear wheel bearing, etc, etc. Part of, oh, there's our stands, look, that's going to get worked on in the next week or two. I'm just waiting for some bits. I'm tucked in behind that, bastard, just shimmed myself on the fucking, just found my shin on a fucking foot plug. Is our Tony's little fucking WL, and that's due a day or two's fucking work. Is Young Dave's GS 250 going in a GS 500 frame. So we need to put that engine in that frame with that front end and that front wheel in that front end, if that makes sense. I'm waiting for the other side of the frame. He's not got one, he's had to order one in. So as soon as that comes in, we'll be getting on that in the next week or two. And the forks, I did say about Dean's Triumph, if you missed it, he's gone for a rethink. He's having a proper fucking little chop, a bit like my Triumph, but with a whatever engine it is, Bonnie engine, 5TA or something, I don't fucking know, don't understand them. But the forks are gone. There's his new forks, so I'm going to remodel. I'm really looking forward to getting on that. And tucked in behind our Steve's is our fucking Danny Boy Chollers, DB Racing, so that's due a bit of work. Keep your eyes peeled. So yeah, part of the process is I had to wiggle and jiggle and fucking shit around and reorganise stuff because I'm crap at that. So I've been busy taking stock. Look at that fucking what? It's like a fucking breakers, isn't it? Taking stock and organising who gets my time for how long and what fucking happens with what, and I'm shit at that. Never know how long anything's going to take anyway, so it's always a fucking guesstimate, ain't it? But stay tuned. And you'll see me doing these fucking bits and bobs, and someone will have their own fucking playlist or their own video or something like that, you know. If you follow me, you know the format. Sorry I've not been fucking current, but been fucking busy. Been trying to fucking sort things out and get ahead and fucking organise shit and get me fucking crap together. As well as have a fucking life, which ain't easy. So, there you go. Real short little walk round just to show you that I'm still here, I'm still alive. Everyone's a winner. See you on the next one. Lots of love.